What's up guys, your boy Tiny. Today we're here to pick up the rear end for crawfish. We're here at Pile Bros Performance out here in Baytown. Let's go see what's going on.
You can get for hey.
Saludos para José Peña. Mira, todo lo que hace mi compadre.
Ahí es donde está la crawfish ahorita, ¿no? Allá vamos.
Para que vayan para allá, raza. Se los recomiendo. ¿Cómo lo vamos a subir?
Forklift. Con forklift.
Hermano.
Pues aquí estoy yo, güey. ¿Para qué quieres que me trajeron? What they do to the rear end, Beto?
Lo cortaron, güey, más que como 2 pulgadas de cada lado. Y new axis para que aguante el vergazo.
Para que aguante, how many horsepower?
Chingate, pórtate ni. Nada más súbelo a la verga.
Para la raza, güey, para que la raza quiere saber.
Está bien caliente la
Como
verga.
1500, güey.
1500.
Sí, no va a aguantar los 1500, pero vamos a ver. We like to break shit, so. ¿Vas a poder, Tiny?
¿Eh?
¿Vas a poder, güey? A ver.
Why, you gotta fuck the back or what? Cuidado, güey.
Arrímalo nomás.
Ay, Juli. Mácate. Tapizo.
Vamos a ponerlo aquí, güey.
Ya para mañana tengo que ponerlo.
Once we get the actual control, we're not gonna have the actual ball joint going down that way. You know what I'm saying? The thing is that the hub central, the spindle is moving it up right now. So entonces, pues, si no, the control is gonna leave it perfectly stock, and it'll be the lower and the upper. Pero with all this cool shit,
No, leave it like that.
so
Fix the camber.
yeah. Y ahorita está más baja de what it used to be, because I set it down, I set the torquing key all the way down para saber. So eso. Outside, give you a holler.
Órale, bro.
Ya está, ya está, güey.
Let's go eat. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Tiny. Today we're doing some more upgrades to the giveaway. Before we get started, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe. A lot of people have been asking how they get into the giveaway and how could they win the giveaway. And when is the giveaway? July 24th. And that's the last day you can get your entries in. And we're actually going to be going live on our social medias on July 25th to announce the winner. The way you can enter the giveaway is shopping at onthegas.com. Or you can pick up local merch here at Elvis Custom Tuning in South Houston, Texas. And every $10 you spend gains you 1 entry to the giveaway. For example, if you spend 40 bucks, you get 4 entries, and so on. That's the way to win this truck, and that's when we're gonna give it away. We originally put 411 gears in this truck. After putting upgrades and everything, it was kind of a little sluggish, so we're gonna put 456 gears in it. So that's the reason we're back here at Elvis Custom Tuning, located in South Houston. I'll put his address right here. Come check him out, tell him On The Gas sent you, he'll hook you up. You can also get your On The Gas merch here, like I said. And our show is still on for July 18, Houston Raceway Park in Baytown, Texas. The show is still going on. A lot of people have also been asking, and we are still going forward with the show. It's July 18, Houston Raceway, drag racing event, car show, truck show event, burnout pit, free burnout pit. So make sure to be there. The giveaway truck will also be there too, so you can be able to see it live there. And everything you buy at the event that goes for On The Gas merch will also gain you entries to the giveaway. So don't miss out. So yeah, so homeboy here, he's getting ready to put in the gears. We're here with the master mechanic at Elvis, Monkey, representing On The Gas.
A huevo. Todo el tiempo.
Todo el tiempo. There's the man, get your things fixed, you know what I mean? He knows how to work on everything. What color you gonna do the brake drums?
I think a red.
¿Está suelta?
It's gonna stand it out with the black and chrome.
It's gonna make it pop real good.
Yes, sir.
¿Tienes pintura roja todavía, güey?
Oh, sí, del motor tuyo, de su motor.
Oh yeah. So y'all don't know, you know, me and Frank also getting our motors built here at Elvis. Me and Frank actually have the exact same trucks. One's their year apart. His 06, mine's 07. But they're still cat eyes, brown, feeder trucks, and we're both getting both 6.0s. Frank's motor's actually getting built right now as we speak. You can come check it out. ¿Dónde está el motor de Frank? Have y'all noticed? Those did a little surgery to my face right here, you know what I mean? Shaved it off, got to look a little younger, you know what I mean? Now they tell me I look like I'm 18, like I'm back in high school.
Para arriba va a ser billet.
Billy.
Qué monstruo. Sí, nomás le pusieron estos. Las tuercas nomás para que no se fuera a perder el tornillo.
So here you have it, you have Frank's motor. This is a 6.0 with a lot of nitrous, pretty much. Special thanks to Nitrous Express for coming out and hooking us up with all the nitrous. Should push a good horsepower, just something to have fun with. What you think, Monkey?
Sí, ojalá. Viene con
No.
huevo.
That's it. Psst, psst.
Sí.
We have a system where it's going to be on a stage setup.
Progressive.
Setup. That's right. It's going to be on a progressive setup. So pretty much it's just a regular 6.0 with PRC heads. Has the custom cam by Roadkill and has a fast 92mm intake. Like I said, a whole bunch of nitrous, and it's gonna be running on a 4L80. But as far as the motor, pretty much this is it.
So it is hanging then, huh?
¿Y se lo puedes quitar de ahí, güey? ¿El mofle?
Sí.
Sí, ahorita que...
Para que no esté colgando.
¿Cuál le metiste siempre, güey?
456. Le metimos 456 gears.
Elvis still needs to get it on the computer.
He's gonna have to tune it.
Ya lo hizo.
Ya lo hizo.
¿Ya lo hizo?
Ya.
Burnout time.
Se va juntando mejor.
Es lo que le faltaba, güey. Le faltaba.
That's gonna jump out the gate quicker.
Ya, va a mover los rines. Más rápido. A ver, Dani, aquí quiero que nos expliques qué te pasó, güey. ¿Qué pasó, güey? Porque hay mucha falla, güey.
So, I was lining up my beard and shit, you know what I mean? Trying to look fly. And my lineup was a little crooked, so I kept fixing my lineup, but at the end of the day, I had my lineup down here. So I was like, you know what, I gotta go. But it brings me back and make me look like I'm 21 now.
Aquí está la cachucha. ¿Y el bigotillo ese qué? ¿Te va a quitar o lo vas a dejar?
I'm gonna dejar, I gotta leave something, you know what I mean? My girl likes it.
A ver, que viejo cogelón.
Para que no vaya
Nomás se lo quita el gacho.
Sí, nomás sí, nomás quítale el gacho. We'll do it another day.
So we still gotta go to Enriquez probably sometime next week. Drop it off and get the interior done. But I think after that, it's pretty much done.
Hoy nomás, con cariño. Enviamos saludos para la gente de Houston, Texas, Dallas, San Antonio. Toda la Unión Americana. Amigos de
¿Vas a correr o qué?
La gente para poder cargar con ese pelo y casca. Tú dices,
No, está grabando la cara.
Got Frank here rocking the new shirt. What y'all hold? God damn, boy.
Caught the new merch.
All that sauce.
Sir. Hey, is it reflective on there or no?
Nah, no se mira.
Se mira como rainbow color. Yeah, it's chameleon.
It's chameleon. It's
Yeah.
chameleon print.
Yeah.
You can shop at onthegas.com to pick up this shirt. It would also gain you entries to the giveaway.
That new shirt? I've never seen you wear that shirt before.
Yeah. You can also get this one at onthegas.com.
Mira, el intake de Tiny, el de Panchito, el gallito de oro. Checks up a little quicker, pero para el burnout sí se siente diferente.
Yeah.
Ando sudando por el precio que me acaba de dar Beto right now. Look. Mire,
el precio para...
sí, es porque ya compró rines, entonces ya me pidió la feria de sus rines. Y por eso ando sudando yo, la verdad.
No había comprado algo tan caro nunca en su vida, otra vez.
Y ahorita que la está comprando.
Ah, es que cuesta andar de mamón, güey. Cuesta. Parece que está fácil, pero no, cuesta. Chingo de billete para andar de mamón.
Para andar bien mamón. No hay pedo. No hay pedo. No hay pedo, es paper. Que son $6,000, güey, no es nada.
Eso sí.
Let's go.
Bueno, ahí
Estamos, Elvis, ahí estamos,
Ahí estamos, Elvis. So we just finished wrapping up things here at Elvis. Well, there at Elvis, we just finished wrapping up the things. They put the 456 gears, came back to the shop, parked the giveaway, and now we're out here with Angel. Angel just finished a customer's truck. Boosted Technology and Fabrication. He's one of the top dogs out here in Houston for turbos. He just finished out a customer's truck, getting the injectors installed. What all you do to it, Angel?
Hot side, downpipe, new wastegate, new cold side, this hose right here, and redid the harness, made everything look real good, you know.
We're looking at about a single-digit truck right here.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah, let's record. Dime ese Angel, güey. No miren en la caguama pisteando.
No.
You can always swing by here in South Houston and talk to Angel about getting the turbo set up. Tell him you want the crawfish set up. If you got the bankroll, tell him you want the crawfish set up.
Si no tienen feria, que no vengan, güey.
Que no vengan
Sí, no, van a perder tiempo, güey, luego.
Hey. Yeah, because basic turbo set, when you talk to Angel, you're talking in the 7,000s and up, correct?
Something like this, yeah.
What's the master mechanic doing right there? Roberto?
Putting back the injectors on. Gotta clean them up before we let them ride.